I'm recording.
Oh, my shoulder's cracked. Congratulations. You are now the owner of a brand new...
Oh, but I want to record.
Alright, you two help me find the webcam clean. I feel okay. I ran out of time here.
Oh! I don't think he's know yet. He doesn't know yet.
I want to see every one of you getting that crap off my car. Come do with this, Joe?
No. Oh, wow. Yeah, we've been out here since 7.
Over there, I'm like, why is he here? Is that what you were talking to, like, Neil about today? Yeah, because I heard you say, could I park your car here somewhere? Huh. Okay, keep going.
You like it?
You should drive home like this.
We got you a bow.
It'd be awesome.
No, you didn't see the bow. That's the best part. No, you didn't see the bow.
Why is it tied to a tree? Everyone has to record this.
So go on MySpace, YouTube, every other video place.
The news.
I'm 6 minutes late here. I do have places to be.
I know, we were waiting for you. Holy cow.
Yeah, I had to get a milkshake.
We'll help you, but you have to start. Oh, yeah. Here. We did it just
What did you put on my rear light here?
Ah, damn, you noticed.
Well, you hadn't noticed it. It
What?
looks like an alien. Copy of this video.
Oh, don't worry, I'll send
Anya,
you.
did you know about that?
No.
Everybody did.
Duh! They see a bunch of people.
Reggie didn't until he drove by.
What did he say?
He laughed.
Where do we start?
I don't care. I just want it off.
You have to start.
Okay.